guys, welcome back to a new video. So for today I'm going to show you how I created my volume hairstyle. So before we get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. So if you want to see how I did my hair, then let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So you're gonna need like a little clip or a scrunchie and then some hairspray. And today I'm going to be using this the volume hairspray. I have not tried this one yet. I just don't have a good hairspray for like volume hair, so hopefully this works. I've never used this one. This one's in the maximum hold, but you do need a form of hairspray. And then for the curls, how to make the volume curls, I'm going to be using a curling iron, and this one's right here. This one is from Conair. It is 1.5 inch, I believe, so it's pretty thick, pretty big, and it goes to 30. Yeah, so this one goes all the way to 30. It gets pretty hot. This one's really old. It does have a clamp, so we are gonna use the clamp, and mine's already preheated. So basically I'm just gonna grab, so your hair should be dry, and then I'm just gonna cut it in half, and I like to work from the bottom to the top. So this part doesn't matter, just bring it to the top, secure it so we could focus on these right here. And then I just cut a small section, and I basically like strain my hair. I do like one pass over. So I basically grab the curling iron and I just go a pass right through it, and then I go one more time, and then I start flipping it over and bringing it right to the ends of my tips, and then rolling it inward. So this is inward and this is outward. So we're gonna go in and then all the way to the top. So of course, the bigger the curl, the bigger the bear, the more of a wave you will get to your hair. The smaller the barrel, the more of a curl you'll get. And then I let it go. See, you only get like that wave. And then I grab the last piece that I have, and I'm basically gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go over it, and then I'm gonna bring it all the way to the ends of my hair and roll it in. And then I just leave it there for a few seconds, no more than like 30. So like 20 seconds or less. And I don't like to apply hairspray until the end, until I'm done with all my hair, just so it can cool down just a little bit because it's still hot. See, like that. Throw it in the back. Go do a pass over it, and then curl the tips, find the ends, and then in. It's so easy, and literally I've been doing this hairstyle for a long time. And then once your hair is longer, you don't have to use the clamp. You could just roll your hair around it and it still works the same. You see, through it. But since I have very thin hair, my curling using this goes way so fast, and I'm done in like 10-15 minutes or less. Like, it's so fast. If you do have thicker hair and more hair, it will take more time though. See, fast. Now I'm just gonna grab some parts here. So here I like to just grab the sides down and then clip it back up. And then same thing. So now I'm just gonna, I like to leave like this for a few seconds, and then I like to start clamping this like this. Look, I open a little bit and then I roll it back up. So I'm like adjusting the curl, not just at the ends of my hair. So then when I let it go, it's just a little bit more curl. See how it's at the ends of my hair, and then I leave it here for a few seconds. And I start clamping it. So when I'm clamping this, basically I'm just rotating my hair. See? and then I leave it for a few more seconds. Ta-da! You don't necessarily have to do that either. Doesn't do a big difference, but and since basically I already demonstrated the process, now I'm just gonna fast this part and make it go a little bit faster. So then now we're gonna get to the part from my crown area. So basically I just like to part it in half just because I do have a just one length hairstyle. If I had more layers I would have cut it in sections, but since I don't, it's just one length. I'm just gonna cut it in half just where I part my hair, and then I'm basically just gonna do the same thing. So I'm just gonna cut right here and focus on this part. See? And then now I'm gonna continue with this side. Oh my god, you guys see this right here? Oh, that's a gray hair. No. Oh my god. Low-key, I'm kind of sad. I just gotta take out all the hair that pulled out of me. That's the only thing that sucks about styling your hair is you lose a lot of hair. Like that. But we're gonna give it more volume. So this is where you grabbed your hairspray. So I'm just gonna go up. And basically, I'm just gonna flip my head and spray hairspray everywhere. Spray. So this hairspray, it's not bad. It smells okay. I don't mind the hair. See how it gives you this like big, nice wave. So this one's more fluffier. I think I need more hairspray on this side. So I just like to pick it up and let it fall, and then apply the hairspray. So I do the same thing. So I just like pick it up, spray, and let it fall. I just like my hair, my volume, so I just shake it up a little bit because I like my hairspray to give me volume and not so much of the hardness, dryness, because it is giving me like dry. I don't want my hair to be hard. I want it to be flexible. If you have longer hair, this would be great. One of the amazing hairsprays that I love to use, what's the name? It's like gold long. You can find it at Walgreens. I'll post a picture right here. But that one is amazing for like volume hair, and it stays on all day, and your curls are just like bouncy and like boom, big. Fluff them come up a little bit, so I just go like that. I push the curl up. That's like a trick. And then throw some hairspray in. And then I just like to like go through here and then shake it. Shake it. And then it like kind of gives it this like volume. That's my trick. I like shake my hair. And this is how you get like this like volume, bouncy hair. And yeah, and this is basically it. But yeah, that completes the look. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you like my hairstyle, please like this video and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And then I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.